Hi, Lily. It's practice time.
Hi, Lexi. What we practice?
Missing do. What do? We practice.
Right. I forgot. What do we practice?
About you.
Oh, about me. Okay, Lexi. Eat breakfast and practice English.
Great idea. First question. So, how old are you, Lily?
I am 90?
No, Lily. You're not 90. You are 19, not 90.
Oh, okay. I am 19.
Great job, Lily. Now tell me, where are you from?
I from Chicago.
Lily, Chicago is your home now. Where are you from means the country you were born in. Okay, Lily, let me ask again. Where are you from?
I am from Sweden, but I live in Chicago.
You're really smart, Lily. See you next time.